Divide 591 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 9 and it is 29. So 3 times 9 is 27. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting we get 0. So 591 divided by 3 is 197. So this much for today and thanks for watching.